I think the most important thing about Watseka that makes me proud is that people, when they're down and out, they pull together. They try to include others. They try to be helpful, be it donations, be it a helping hand. I think that no matter what, the
Boy, there's
community
so
sticks
many.
together.
I'd say one of the number one things is that I just feel like it's a great community where people are together, and the history behind it, and just knowing that fact that that's what makes it a community, is knowing where we've come from, where we continue to go forward. Actually, the theme of our parade this year is called American Traditions / Moving Forward. So we still continue to have that, but we move forward to the future. But you just feel safe and a sense of community.
I would say
here.
this is the place to be. If you want to raise a family, it's great. We have good schools. We have people that really try in the community. We have lots of extracurricular activities. We have wonderful parks. We have great rec programs, and you can let your child go outside, run down the block, and play with friends, and you don't have to worry what's going to happen with them. So I think that's a very
Just the
important thing.
opportunity to grow and expand and just be part of a hometown with rich traditions.